Hello guys. Today I have discussed the continuous beam and overhanging beam. So let's we start now. Select the new project and go space and type continuous beam. Okay, continuous beam. Hmm, continuous beam. Fun. And check the unit, length unit and force unit and space plane. Next and add beam. Okay, finish. ओके, तो स्नैप नोड एंड इसमें जाएंगे, फिर एडिट, फिर एक्स जेड प्लेन. ओके, एंड देन ड्रॉ द बीम 0 to 4 and then 4 to 8 and 8 to 10. The total length of beam the 10 meter. Then we go to general and define the property. The rectangle wide is the depth of the beam 0.300 and z is the wide of beam 0.230. okay, and select the beam and select to assign beam. okay, and go to support and create a fixed support for this joint, and again create the pin support, add and select this point, this node, and assign. This is the fixed support, and then select the middle the 2 points and apply for pin support. okay, this is a continuous and overhanging beam. This portion is the overhanging, and then go to load definitions and load definition, add and dead load, add load, add close, add सेल्फ एड ऐड नहीं करेंगे इसमें, क्योंकि अपना जो प्रोजेक्ट एस एफ डी वी एम डी अपना जो सिमिलर नहीं आएगा उससे, तो इसलिए हम एस एफ डी वी एम डी चेक करेंगे. तो इसलिए अगर देन गो टू द यूनिफॉर्म फोर्स माइनस का 40 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर, एड क्लोज. This portion apply for this force assigned to selected beam. This ये क्वेश्चन अपने को दिया हुआ है. okay, we have given this question and assigned to selected beam, and then finally we assign the load of these portions and go to add to uniform force and member load, and again to concentrated force minus का 30 and apply for 3 meter. We have the given this load the distance from this point to 3 meter. okay, select the beam, select load, assign to selected beam, assign, finally load, apply the actual distance and add, again go to member load and concentrated force and minus का 25 kilonewton and distance from 2 meter. okay, apply, assign to selected. okay, load level, apply load level and check the value of load and check the similar. okay, and then go to analyze and print and perform analyze, add, close, and go to post print and define command dead load and dead load add and analyze result add, then close. Okay, and go to the analyze uh, finally we analyze the our beam and 0 error, 0 warning and 0 not. Okay, we check the analyze result now. This is the analyze result, joint displacement and structure types space. Okay, if you want to this project file, please send your email and comment. This is SFD and SFD diagram, and we check the all direction and x y plane, zy plane. We check the moment and force SFD BMD diagram, and this the z directions and the y direction bending moment diagram. And okay, bending moment diagram. Next, go to stat editor. That's stat editor. Yeah, stat editor. ओके, स्टेट एडिटर, इसमें अपना जो भी वर्क हुआ है अपने स्ट्रक्चर का वो सब जॉइंट्स, नोड्स एंड लोड्स एंड सपोर्ट्स एक्सेट्रा ऑल about our structure, the all full detail, this full analyze result. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Subscribe now.